I am here with another provincial nominee program in PNP series, Newfoundland and Labrador Nominee Program, NLPNP. Newfoundland and Labrador form the most easterly province of Canada. It is one of the 4 Atlantic provinces of Canada. This is where the sun rises first. This is a land of rich history and natural wonders like stunning coastline, breaching whales, icebergs, and some of the most incredible skyscapes you will ever see. If you are interested in settling on this beautiful land, stay tuned. Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Charisma. Hope you all doing great and staying safe. If you are new here, I provide information and free advice about Canadian immigration and help people to apply for Canada PR, which can save them a lot of money. Without a further delay, let's start today's video. The Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program provides the opportunity to the skilled workers to become a part of this Eastern Province growing workforce through its 3 streams. First one is Express Entry Skilled Worker Stream, second one is Skilled Worker Stream, and third one is International Graduate Stream of Immigration. Express Entry Skilled Worker Stream is for the skilled workers of NOC skill level 0A or B occupations with a granted employment offer who are in the Federal Express Entry pool. International Graduate Stream is for the graduates from eligible post-secondary institutions who choose to remain in Canada on a postgraduate work permit. Graduates must either be currently employed or have received a job offer from a Newfoundland and Labrador employers that relates to their field of study. The skilled worker stream of the Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program welcomes foreign workers of all NOC skill levels to apply for provincial nomination. Because the skilled worker stream allows the all NOC people to apply for provincial nomination, that's why today I will continue with the skilled worker stream. If you need detailed information about another streams, please leave me a comment below. I will try my best to make a separate video as soon as possible. So let's start with skilled workers stream. The skilled worker stream of NLPNP welcomes experienced workers of all NOC skill levels with a granted job offer from a Newfoundland and Labrador employer to apply for provincial nomination. The applicant must have a specialized skill set that meets the needs of the employer from which they receive a full-time job offer. Foreign nationals with NOC skill level 0A or B experience may also be eligible to apply under the Express Entry Skilled Worker Stream of NLPNP if they have been accepted into the Federal Express Entry pool. If you are not sure how to find your NOC code, this video can help you to find the right NOC code for you. Let's have a look at the Newfoundland and Labrador Provincial Nominee Program application process at first glance. First of all, employer need to get approval to hire an international worker. For that, employer will apply to the Office of Immigration and Multiculturalism, and then they will assess the application and permit the employer. After that, employer will hire the international worker, means the prospective candidate will get a job offer. Then the candidate will submit the application to NLPNP's Office of Immigration and Multiculturalism to get the nominee certificate. They will assess the application and then issue the nominee certificate to the candidate. After that, the candidate needs to submit a complete application to IRCC for permanent residency of Canada. Then IRCC will assess the application and then they will approve the Canada PR to the candidate. Let's start with the eligibility requirements for NLPNP skilled worker category. First requirement is job offer. To be eligible for the Newfoundland and Labrador skilled worker stream, candidates must have a valid full-time job offer for at least 2 years with the possibility of extension from an eligible Newfoundland and Labrador employer. The job offer must meet provincial employment standards and prevailing wage rates. The candidate must have sufficient language proficiency, education, and work experience to perform the occupation being offered to them. If the applicant is currently employed in Canada, they must have a valid work permit or be eligible to apply for one if they are currently residing abroad. The second requirement is language proficiency. Applicants will be required to provide proof of language proficiency in English or French, and applicants in NOC skill level C or D occupations must achieve at least Canadian language benchmark level 4 to be eligible to apply. If you need to convert your language test score to CLB, you can refer these charts here. This one for IELTS, this chart is for self-pif, and this is for French test TEF. Third one is education. There are no minimum requirements for education, but a candidate should have an education related to their job offer. Next is work experience. There are no minimum requirements for work experience either, but a candidate should have work experience related to their job offer. Other than all these, a candidate must be 21 to 59 years of old. A candidate must have the intention and ability to settle permanently in Newfoundland and Labrador. A candidate must have sufficient settlement funds and financial resources to successfully establish yourself and any dependents in Newfoundland and Labrador. NLPNP has not provided the specific funds requirement for the program. After checking the eligibility and you find yourself eligible, the next step is how to apply. Eligible candidates must submit a complete online application to the stream, and the application has non-refundable $250 fees. To apply online, you need to go on NLPNP's official website. I will leave the link for this website in the description below. So scroll down here and click on Apply to Skilled Workers Online. On this page, you need to click on New PNP registration. Here it is asking a question, do you have full-time job offer or you are already employed in Newfoundland or Labrador? So you need to answer here yes, because you are only eligible if you have a job offer or you are employed there. After answering this question, just scroll down and here you need to enter your email address, you need to agree terms and conditions, and make sure you complete your application and submit it, because if your application will stay incomplete or inactive for 90 days, the office will close it. After entering your email address here, click on next. So on this page here, step number 2, you need to select application type, select PNP skilled worker. Fill in this information here. If on your passport you do not have surname, only given name, then you can write no last name here. If you have only last name, then you can write here no given name. So that's how just complete this application. It has 10 steps and after that submit it. If you need help to complete this application, please again leave me a comment below. I will make a separate video on that. So let's have a look what will happen next once you submit your application to NLPNP. After submitting the application to NLPNP, the next step is decision making process. Upon receipt of completed application for skilled worker, the department will notify the applicant of a decision within 25 business days. How it will work? In first 3 days, your application will get assigned to an officer and you will get an email notification for that. In next 4 to 20 days, an immigration development officer will review the application and make a recommendation, which means send the report to delegated authority, and again candidate will get a notification. And between 21st to 25th day, the delegated authority will review the assessment and make a final decision on the file. The applicant will be notified once approval has been granted or denied. Applicants will receive status updates throughout the application process in addition to the final decision. These updates will be communicated via email as well as through the online dashboard to which applicants gain access. Once the decision making process is completed, the successful applicants will receive a provincial nomination from Newfoundland and Labrador. After receiving a provincial nomination, an applicant has 6 months to submit a federal application for Canadian permanent residence to IRCC. Applicants in this program must complete and submit a paper-based application for permanent residence and submit it by mail to the appropriate application center. Paper-based PNP applications for permanent residence are generally processed within 18 months. If you need any information about Canadian immigration, please feel free to leave me a comment below, DM me on Instagram or email me on canadiancharisma@yahoo.com. I will try my best to answer you as soon as possible. If you find my videos helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for notification. I will be back with more informative videos. Till then, stay positive, stay safe, stay connected. Thanks for watching this video.